Good morning everybody, welcome to the workshop. Today I'm gonna install handguards for my Royal Enfield Himalayan 2021. I have them right here, one for the left side, one for the right hand side. We're gonna install them like this and get to the workbench. If you order the handguards from Royal Enfield themselves, you will get all these items. These are the handguards themselves, a left hand side and for a right hand side. 2 screws, and they are already coated with a lock bond, with a Loctite, so you don't need to use that. If you want to, you can always use it. And then you have 2 bar ends, and there is some discussion online of which one you should use, the provided with the handguards or the ones that already are on the motorcycle. There's quite some weight balance between these two, and because you're already adding some weight on the motorcycle bar end, or on the motorcycle handlebar, I advise you to use the ones that are already provided with the handguard kit, because maybe you'll get already too much vibrations if you use the ones that come stuck with the motorcycle. But do keep these in case you ever want to remove those. You still have the original parts, and if you want to sell the motorcycle, it's always good to use the original parts. So I'll set aside this one for now. The tools you need is a 6mm Allen key for the screws itself, and if you want to use a little bit of Loctite or lock bond, you can use it as well. It's already provided with the screws on the last portion of it, but if you want to use it, feel free to use them. It's very easy to place the handguards. On the website of Royal Enfield there is an instruction manual if you want to. You can also pause the video and make a screenshot of it if you want to. So you take your Allen key, put it inside and turn anti-clockwise, and it's quite stuck, as you can see. And here, of course, you turn it loose. Just be careful that you don't drop the bar end, because it's quite heavy. And it comes loose. Then you take the new screws, the new screw, the new bar end, and the handguard. You put it all into place. So firstly you have the handguard. At the back you place it like this, and then you put the screw through it. And then if you have it like this, put the screw into the handlebar and screw it hand tight with your own hands. Then take a 6mm Allen key again and install it. Just make sure once, if you install the handguards, on the bottom here there is a Royal Enfield logo. It should be oriented up, and otherwise you have it on the, you have the left one on the right hand side, you have to turn it around. Please keep in mind that it has to be like on the same level, on the same height as the other one, and then tighten it properly. It says, I believe, to 50 Newton meters, to 20 Newton meters. You can use a torque wrench for that if you want to, or just do it very tightly. And then you're done. That's it. You can remove the plastic parts by these 2 screws inside of the handguard. You can remove those. I believe this is an M3 Allen key. You can use it to remove the plastic part if you want to.